Ever wished you could create stunning videos without spending hours learning complicated software or hiring a professional? What if I told you AI could do most of the work for you? And no, it's not going to ask for a coffee break. Stick around as we explore the top 5 best AI video generators that can save you time, money, and maybe even your sanity. AI video generators are tools that take your ideas and turn them into professional-looking videos faster than you can say action. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or just someone who hates editing, this one's for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Cyber Tech, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI-driven strategies. Now let's jump into today's topic. Let's face it, video creation can be a headache. Editing software often feels like you need a PhD just to crop a clip, while hiring professionals can be expensive and blow your budget. And if you're doing it all yourself, it's not only time-consuming, but can also lead to some serious frustration and rage-inducing moments. But what if there was a better way? A way where you don't have to cry over timelines or scream at rendering errors. That's where AI video generators come in. And today we're counting down the top 5 that will change the game for you. Pictory. Pictory is a fantastic tool that takes long videos, blog posts, or even entire scripts and transforms them into short, engaging video clips. It's perfect for repurposing content, especially for social media, where short-form videos are king. Think of it as your personal video editor who never needs a coffee break. Here's how it works. You simply upload your blog post or script, and Pictory's AI analyzes the text, automatically generating a video complete with visuals, captions, and music. It's a great way to turn a long, boring article into something people actually want to watch. The best part? It suggests relevant stock footage, images, and video clips, so you don't have to go hunting for them yourself. You can also customize the video by selecting your preferred visuals, making it even more personalized. This tool saves you hours of editing time. And the best part? Pictory even optimizes the video for different platforms, making it perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. Synthesia. Looking for a lifelike AI avatar to present your content? Synthesia is the ultimate virtual spokesperson, delivering your script as if they're right in front of you. No need for retakes or awkward pauses. You can customize your avatar's appearance and voice, whether you want a professional corporate look
or a friendly casual tone.
It's like having your own personal news anchor, but without the huge salary demands. Whether you're creating corporate training videos, educational content, or marketing presentations, Synthesia lets you select an AI-generated avatar that will speak in over 60 languages. And it's all done with just a few clicks. Whether you want your avatar to have a British accent, American charm, or even a regional dialect.
Look at us. We are awesome.
I am here to replace Joshua.
Synthesia offers total customization. The AI seamlessly delivers your script, making it perfect for situations where you want a polished, professional presentation. Plus, there's no need to worry about bad hair days or uncomfortable lighting. Synthesia makes sure your avatar always looks its best. Runway AI. Runway AI is like a one-stop shop for video creators. It's your Swiss Army knife of video editing. Whether you need text-to-video generation, AI-powered background removal, or even motion tracking, this tool can do it all. Perfect for creators who want to add professional touches to their content without needing a degree in video editing. With Runway, you can quickly remove backgrounds from videos. No green screen needed. Plus, it lets you turn text into fully realized videos. Just type your script, and Runway will create a video that matches the tone and pacing of your words. The AI can even track objects, add motion to static images, or apply complex video effects, all while keeping the process simple enough for beginners to handle. Whether you're editing a vlog, creating an educational video, or working on a brand campaign, Runway's powerful yet user-friendly tools are designed to save you time and effort. Veed.io. Veed.io is a great option for anyone looking to create clean, professional videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you're working on a YouTube video, social media post, or marketing content, this tool is designed to save you time. With its built-in features like automatic subtitle generation and customizable templates, you'll have your video polished and ready to share in no time. One of the standout features of Veed.io is its AI-powered subtitle generator. It automatically adds subtitles to your videos, saving you the hassle of transcribing your content manually. You can also translate your video into multiple languages, making it easy to reach a global audience. Additionally, Veed.io offers tons of pre-built templates that make it easy to create videos for any occasion, whether you want to add text effects, animations, or background music. Veed.io has everything you need to elevate your videos. Plus, its simple interface means you don't need a technical background to use it effectively. Canva Video. Canva is no stranger to design lovers, but did you know it now offers video creation tools? Canva Video is perfect for beginners who want to produce stunning videos without getting overwhelmed by complex editing software. Its easy to use drag and drop interface makes it simple to create videos, whether you're making an Instagram reel, YouTube intro, or promotional ad. Canva Video offers a huge library of pre-designed templates to help you get started. Just pick one, upload your footage, and customize it with text, transitions, music, and even animations. Canva's templates are fully customizable, so you can easily adapt them to suit your style or branding. Whether you're a newbie to video editing or an experienced creator looking for a quick and simple solution, Canva Video lets you create professional videos without the steep learning curve. Now, let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I was tasked with creating a video for a marketing campaign. It was my first time handling this level of production, and I had no idea what I was doing. I spent hours learning video editing software, trying to get the lighting right, and stressing over transitions. Honestly, at one point, I thought about just sending out a picture with a text caption instead. Then, I stumbled upon an AI video generator, Runway AI to be specific. I decided to give it a shot and uploaded my script. A few clicks later, I had a video ready for review. It was exactly what I had envisioned, and I didn't have to spend days learning complicated editing tools. It saved me so much time. And the best part? It looked professional. I couldn't believe I had managed to create that with just a few simple steps. If I had known about these tools earlier, I would have saved myself a lot of headaches. But hey, it's never too late to streamline the process, right? So, what's the ultimate takeaway? AI video generators are here to simplify your life, whether you're an influencer, a marketer, or just someone who loves creating content. These tools help you create high-quality videos quickly, with less effort and without the usual frustrations of traditional video editing. Each of the tools we covered today brings something unique to the table, from avatars that can speak multiple languages to text-to-video generators that turn your ideas into reality in a flash. Whether you're just getting started or looking to streamline your process, these AI video generators will help you take your content game to the next level. And there you have it, the top 5 AI video generators that can take your content creation to new heights. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If this video saved you time, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Cybertech, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more AI-powered tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, with AI, creating videos has never been this easy or this fun. Catch you in the next one.